informative. Learned a lot about the different tools that we can get from AppsFlyer dashboard.
I learned a lot about the platform and how to use the dashboard and the reports. I'd really recommend anyone to go and do the MasterClass.
We really enjoyed the class, and now we're ready to use the platform even more than we did before.
I learned a few things that I'd like to implement on my company, if it's in terms of graphs or other sources. Basically, this was a really good day for me. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, AppsFlyer.